So today we're going to be going over 3 maintenance tips for your window hardware. The first one is you want to make sure your hinges at the bottom. There's one at the bottom here, and there's also one at the top. You want to make sure that these window hinges, that they're clear of any debris, dirt or grime. As you can see, there's a plastic piece at the bottom here, and it actually slides on a track. You want to make sure always that that track is clean of any debris, dirt or grime. So what I usually suggest is clients can make sure every spring they get a little toothbrush and just clean right between there where this little black plastic guide slides. You want to make sure it's clean at the bottom, so just clean it up, because if there's any debris or grime there, it prevents, or it actually causes the crank mechanism to work overtime to pull in the window. So you want to make sure that's clean. Also, you want to make sure that the top is also clean. So again, get a little toothbrush, your hand a little toothbrush, and just clean it all up. Keep it clean, clear of any debris. So that's the first tip. You can also make sure that you get a silicone based lubricant, okay? And every spring just simply spray the bottom, okay? And also the top. This will allow your crank to slide a lot, your hinge to glide a lot smoother on the track as well. But you want to make sure that you clean it all up first. Now, another tip to preserve your window crank mechanism is to make sure that whenever you're cranking close your window and it reaches to this point here, what a lot of people do is that they over crank this mechanism here, the handle. You want to make sure you don't do that, and you just simply bring the window to that point just till it makes contact with the multi-point lock. This is what's going to do all the heavy lifting and bringing your window all the way nice and tight. So again, make sure that the crank mechanism only goes to at that point there. That's it. That's all you want to do. Just bring it close enough for the hooks on this multi-point lock to close your window. So those are a few tips that you can definitely implement to help preserve the life of your crank mechanism and your window hardware. If you have any other questions or need further details, give us a call at 416-906-4395 or visit us at Revitalize Windows and Doors, and we'll be sure to help you with any window hardware repairs you may have in the future.